Since I have completed 38 years of my practice today, I have seen so many things happen in last 38 years. I want to tell to the young people some of the anecdotes are as under. Number one, in the year 2001, I went to the Supreme Court in some case. The court was of Chief Justice Honorable Shri V.N. Khare. One advocate was arguing and he was saying, "My lord, please give me 2 minutes. My lord, please give me 2 minutes to argue." He was very vehement that he deserves 2 minutes to drive home the point. But the judge was not listening. He was pushing the file. No, nothing doing, nothing doing. After some time, the judge said, "Mr. Counsel, you have already consumed more than 2 minutes, rather 5 minutes." The advocate said, "My lord, those 5 minutes have been consumed because of the obstinacy on the part of my lord in refusing to hear me." That was, I was later on told, he was a very senior lawyer. I'll not take his name. A good friend of mine was elevated as a judge of this court. Many friends, all of us, we are working on a very high level of morality. Don't think we get any favors. No, no, that's not there. But he was elevated. I'm telling one story. After 1 or 2 months, he met me and said, "Gini Bhaiya, you are a very good man." I said, "Thank you very much." "And you are a very learned man." I said, "Thank you very much." And then he said, "You are very humble. Oh, and polite." I said, "Thank you very, very much for this last compliment. But why are you saying so today?" He said, "Because after 1 year, I will say that Ruprah is a haughty man." I said, "Why? Why will you say so after 1 year?" He said, "Because of the bar. The bar pampers us so much that we will get spoiled. Even a person with self respect and who is otherwise polite like you are appears to be haughty because of the extreme pampering and extreme buttering which the bar does to him." So, without taking his name, I am giving this message to the bar. Please be very humble and polite to High Court judges. They are very learned people. They take the judiciary greatly and they are, really serving the country. Submit them, even otherwise you socially meet them, respect them. But do not pamper them. Do not spoil the judges. When you bow too much before the judge gets spoiled. No, be vehement in the court, but be polite. I've seen some lawyers, while they in their vehemence, they lose politeness. No, I might have also done the mistake sometime. That should not be. But don't leave your point. Takes me to another incident in my life. That is about 20 years ago. Generally, I go well prepared into court. On that day also, I was very well prepared. The Honorable Judge said, I'll not take his name because I've got the highest respect for that particular judge. He said, "Mr. Ruprah, what you are arguing is, laid down in this ruling of the Supreme Court." I said, "Yes, my lord, thank you very much. In fact, your lordship is very, very well versed on that particular branch of law." Then I proceeded with my arguments. After some time, he said, "Mr. Ruprah, it's not like this. You have not read this judgment. It is very important. So, you have not read this." I said, "Thank you very much for enlightenment, my lord. In fact, there can be no match to your lordship's great knowledge on this particular branch of law." That is what I humbly and respectfully submitted. The judge at this point of time ventured to say, "That is why I'm here and you are there." The moment he made this remark, I bowed down to the judge and said, "My lord is absolutely right. As far as knowledge of law is concerned, experience is concerned, I am a naught, NAUGHT, in front of my lord. But the place which I am occupying is in no way either inferior or superior to the place which my lord is occupying. In fact, judiciary is a three-wheeled chariot. The honorable court, judiciary, bench, one advocate of petitioner, the other advocate of respondent. So, my lord, we are all equal. The place which I am presently occupying, I'll vacate. And after this, some other titan may come, like Sardar Rajan Singh or Mr. Y.S. Dharmadikari or any big shot of the High Court, Mr. R.P. Verma. All those titans were very much available at that time. But the situation, legal position will remain the same. Individually, Mr. NS Ruprah is zero, but the position from where he is speaking is equal to every other position which is available in this court. So, young men, argue with vehemence, argue with learning, burn the midnight oil, work hard, respect the judge, and maintain your own self respect also. Thank you.